Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Rocket to Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the process on how to send money from Rocket to Dbbl account, which is Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited. Here the first step is just to register for the Rocket service. So if you haven't already registered for the Rocket by visiting any Dbbl branch, first track mobile banking office, or authorized agent point with your national ID, which is your NID, and a photograph. Alternatively, you can also register digital through the Rocket app using the NID and a selfie. Once that is carried out, then you can now link your Dbbl core banking account to Rocket. So once that is done, then tap on transfer fund from Rocket to your Dbbl core banking account you want to link the two. Then from there, visit any Dbbl branch and fill out the linkage request form to link your Rocket account to your Dbbl savings or current account. Then initiate the transfer using your USSD from the mobile phone, which is a dialer of *322#, excluding the CityCell users. If you are using a CityCell, send an empty SMS to 16216. Then after that, you can select option 4 for banking accounts to Rocket account transfer. Then follow the on-screen prompt to enter the recipient's Dbbl account number and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then from there, confirm the transaction details and complete the transfer. And that's how to send money from Rocket to Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.